Hey guys, I'm Cindy Dinkler, and I'm an ink addict. There, I said it. Uh, all joking aside, it's been a rough winter. I've had some health issues over the past year, finally starting to hopefully get things back on track, and I wanted to commemorate some small victories and give myself a little push over the finish line, so to say, because we're in the home stretch and adventure season is officially starting in 2 weeks with a big adventure. I probably won't be vlogging it myself, but you can see the results of that collaboration on the Coaster Clubs Unite channel, which is a channel that I have joined as a collaborator and contributor. So I do encourage anybody who likes my adventure vlogs and amusement parks and stuff like that to check that channel out if you haven't already. And but anyway, I'm heading into Seagull Tattoo in a few minutes for a some fresh ink. It's been over a year since I've gotten a tattoo, and I kind of got the thirst for it. And it's going to be one that's going to be really special to me. I've put a lot of thought and prayer and consideration, and a lot of people helping me pick out the details. So I am excited to see how it turns out and excited to share it with y'all. So let's go on in and get started. This is gonna be my first time at their new location in downtown Battle Creek. Alright, so I got checked in and we got my stencil printed up, and I love it. It's so beautiful. I cannot wait.
And I do want to get new jewelry for this too. So, because
like I said, this is the first time I've been in the new location. It's very nice. I have not seen one of these in forever. That is funny. This is Jim. He's gonna be our artist today.
Hi, how's it going? Perfect from exactly one angle. So I'm going to put it on, and then I'm going to have you look in the mirror and kind of twist and move your arm around. See if you like where it's placed.
Okay. Weirdos.
I feel the same way about it. So, you know, when I'm getting tattooed personally, so I understand that.
It's really true that it's an addiction.
It is. Because once you pop, you can't stop.
I've got so many different ones planned that I want to get eventually.
All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to say that soundtrack also has songs from
ELO.
Yep. Around the World, also one of my favorite songs.
My favorite is Dancin' from the Xanadu soundtrack. Cheesy as it sounds, that song, I was about 3 years old when that movie came out.
Yeah.
And my parents were big fans, so we watched it a lot. We had the soundtrack on vinyl, and I listened to it non-stop while I would roller skate around the basement.
Yeah. Oh, wow. You know, I'm used to listening to saxophones, but typically they're either in an 80s pop song or a ska song.
Okay.
But I like to be picky. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist.
That's a good thing to be in this job.
It's a very good thing. it's hard because, you know.
You can't really race.
Yeah, exactly. This is not a speed competition. But
That's how it always goes.
they really don't make this easy. But
I ate a large pizza. I ate a whole box of
Facebook and Instagram story.
Okay.
And then some of them make it to my feed as well. I'm a little bad about posting. And for the Serial City page, typically today, on Sunday, we send our best tattoos of the week to Tracy. And she will make a post.
Oh, cool.
So I don't know which photos they choose of mine or anybody else's, because we try to post at least once a day. But hopefully you'll see this on the Serial City page, but you'll definitely see it on my Facebook story and Instagram today. Like I said, I'm a little behind, so you might see yours in a week.
Okay. All right, so we are all done. I gotta say, every experience that I've had here at Serial City has been a good experience, but I think this has been up in my top two now. Between that and the Battle Creek Bomber Mosquito Lifetime Season Ticket Camp Out, that was pretty cool too. But had a great experience, had a nice time. I really like Jim. He does great work, very friendly, very caring, very meticulous, very flat out said that he is a perfectionist, and that's a great quality to have in this job. And so I definitely recommend coming to Serial City if you are Battle Creek based and want to get some work done. And here we go. Let's see the final product. Da, 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 da. I think I'm quite ready for another adventure. Beautiful. I love it. He had a different take on it than what I had envisioned, but I love it even more. Those of you that know me well know that that is definitely a good mantra for me, because I'm always looking for the next adventure. And again, you know, it's been a rough winter, a rough year health-wise, and a lot of depression. And I think it's just going to do me well to have such an encouraging quote to remind myself what keeps me going. Now, if you enjoy content like this, I request and ask and encourage you to hit the subscribe button and to comment, like, share. And as always, until next time, the story is to be continued.